Hello, everyone. In the forex market, everyone is talking about fear. Um, why are we scared in the forex market? Why are we scared once we approach the chart? I'm Promise Peters, and welcome to the Derivatives FX. What is fear? We all know what fear is. So, have we thought about what actually caused this emotion to come up whenever we approach the forex market chart? Have we bothered to ask ourselves, why am I having this emotional factor whenever I approach the chart? Now, I have two factors. I have two main important reasons why I think we have that emotion once we approach the chart. And I hope this video will help you as a beginner trader. You're coming into the forex market newly and you don't know much about it, and you are trying to get more knowledge about it. So for me, the first reason is that first of all, no one is scared of no one will be happy when you are losing money. So the first reason is that you having the mindset that, oh, I don't want to lose money in the forex market, which is not possible. In the forex market, you will lose. It is compulsory, and losses are what makes you in that particular industry. In this particular industry, losses molds you. They build you to some extent. So you are approaching the market with the fact that I don't want to lose my money. And for instance, you approach the chart, and then you are on a trade. Before you know, you start having these emotions coming in. Oh, I'm losing money, it is normal in the forex market. So the better you accept it now as a newbie, the better for you. Just accept it that losses are compulsory in the forex market. You cannot be right. In short, you cannot be smarter than the market. So losses are compulsory. Just accept it and be free of it. So that is the one reason why I think people have this the emotional factor, which is fear. Number two reason is not being able to stick and follow your edge you have in the market. What is an edge? An edge, for me, I see an edge as a series of variables that tells us that one thing is going to happen over the other. That is an edge for me. So approaching the financial market, you need to develop an edge. What are you going to what will you act on once you approach the market? What are you looking at for? What are you searching for? This morning I woke up, I took a trade, and before taking that trade, I realized that I am not actually following which is a bad habit for me. I have my punishment already for that particular action. So the moment I took that trade, I saw I was no longer comfortable. I was just having this, "Oh, I'm losing this money." You understand? So not being able to follow your edge consistently. Most people think consistent success in trading is just profit. But how can you attain profitability when you're not consistent with the little things that makes you profitable? Consistently following your edge, adhering to it, not mistaking one thing out of it. Because here in the forex market, where there are people there to take the little money you have. So this is the second reason that I feel brings fear into the mindset whenever we approach the financial market. And these things can be tackled. First of all, accept losses. Losses is not something that you can avoid. It is inevitable. You must lose money in the forex market. Secondly, follow your edge. And your edge comprises of your trading plan, your risk management, your entry and exit system, your psychology when it comes to trading, your mindset once you take a trade. All this comprises of an edge. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you as a newbie coming into the forex market. You want to eliminate fear. Just have these two. Just sink in this video. Sink these two reasons I just gave you right now, and then you see yourself at the other side of it. For me, it's I know we are all human. Sometimes we fall off. So just follow what you are hearing, following what you are reading, following what you are watching, and I promise you, you will see the changes. And I hope this video is helpful to you watching it right now. For more short clips and more educative videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget, smash the notification button so you get notified whenever I drop episodes like this. And lastly, like, share, and comment on this video below anything concerning the financial market, be it theoretical aspect, the practical aspects of the financial market, and I'll always be there to give you insightful explanation. Thank you, and once again, welcome to the Witness FS, and I am Promise Peters, signing out.